In this video, we're going to take a look at solving systems of equations using substitution. Now, this is not the easiest way to solve equations, but it actually is my favorite way to solve systems of equations. So the idea is, and I have a few examples. If you have a variable by itself, and if you don't, you can get it by itself. I'm trying to see maybe one of these examples. Nope, none of them are like that. Usually, though, when you use substitution, one of them's already solved for it. But if it's not, you can always solve for that variable. So anyways, if x is negative y squared plus 3, we're going to substitute, hence the name substitution. We're going to substitute that in right there. So we're going to have 15 times, and then I'm going to put in the negative y plus 3 for x, because this is what x equals. So we substitute it in to represent x. And then we just go ahead and solve. So distribute the 15. So negative 15 plus 31 is 16. Subtract our 45. I just can't write my numbers today. And then last, divide by 16. And so y equals negative 3. So that covers our y. But what about x? Well, you could plug the y into this first equation and then solve for x. Or this one, x is already solved for. It should both get you the same answer. So x equals negative y plus 3. And y equals negative 3. And 3 plus 3 is 6. So that's the idea of substitution. We can go through one more example. So for this one, y is 5x minus 4. So I'm going to have 7x minus 3 times that equals 20. And minus 3 times y, I should just say minus 3 times y, right? And what is y? Y is 5x minus 4. So that's the main idea of substitution. From there, you're just going to solve. So I'm going to distribute the negative 3. Combine like terms, 7x minus 15x is negative 8x. Subtract the 12. And divide the negative 8. That's x. So once again, your choice on how you want to get y, you could plug it into this one or this one. A little bit easier to pick the bottom one though. So y equals 5x minus 4. So y equals 5 times negative 1 minus 4, which is negative 5 minus 4, which is negative 9. Where did I get the x? Remember, x is negative 1, so I substituted that in to get the y.